Hi and welcome back. I should hopefully have the right clutch thingy-majiggy that goes right there to, do the clutch and whatnot. I'm going to be replacing it today. It's going to be a process. I don't know if I'll be able to bleed it today and get it running properly, but that's okay because it's the weekend and I still have tomorrow to do it, so yeah, that's fun. Anyways, this is how the Longchamps sit now. Got the one all shined up. Just gotta do that one, and then I can throw them on the car, so it's gonna be fun. All you need for this project is flare nut wrenches, swivel socket, breaker bar to pry against the brake booster ever so slightly, the replacement part, obviously, and just a socket set of your choice. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do is just pop the hood, because obvious. And then I'll probably start by taking the seat out just so I have more room underneath, because to access all the bolts, it's kind of dark, sorry, but they're all up in there. So, yeah. Yep, that's an engine. First thing first is to remove the seat, which there are 4 bolts on each corner. And I'm just gonna remove it because I want extra room, because getting in this little tight space is kind of going to be a pain. But yeah, just simply, break it free, undo the bolt, simple stuff. Once your seat is out, it'd probably be a good time to vacuum up all of that gross rocks and dirt and all that. But yeah. I guess I forgot to mention that you do need a Phillips screwdriver as well to take out all this plastic trim. It's also a good idea to rethread your screws back into their spots so you don't lose them. But okay, so maybe there's one more right there. But next up is this piece. Forgot to mention, got to take off the hood release, which there should be 2 bolts. I'm missing one. But yeah, we're just gonna move this and basically just push it out of the way so we can get this piece off. Got it out, just kind of gonna slide it through there and just gonna set it off to the side, because just gotta get this off now, which I guess there's more, which I think it's just that 10 mil right there. Now we're gonna be taking out those 4 bolts back there and then slide the brake booster forward. All right, so to take this little cap thingy off, holder cup, it's a 19 mil and it's just right in the center down in there. Now it's all taken apart. Just got to break that free. And don't use a normal wrench. Go buy yourself flare nut wrenches. They're cheap and it'll save the hassle of stripping that out and then wanting to cry later on. Gotten the line off. Now it's just time to undo that bolt, undo the bolt on the inside, take out the couple cotter pins and call it good. So up there is supposed to be a cotter pin that's holding that on, and then there is a thingy-majiggy right there. Take off, because the new one most likely will not have it. Sorry for the big jump in the cut, or cut in the jump, cut, jump, jump, cut. But it is installed now. I didn't really record much of putting it back together, but it's been like 2 weeks and I just wanted it to work. But it's bled, fully bled, and in there, the thingy-majiggy hopefully works, maybe. Don't know, I pray. It's back on the road, clutch feels fine, the pump feels fine, or the master feels fine. So it's good news so far. Just taking her up for a test drive, seeing how she go, all that fun jazz. But yeah, it's on the road again. Yippee! After like 2 weeks, give or take. Good feeling. Well, test drive successful. Made it to a undisclosed location. No, I'm just taking pictures. Look at how cool it looks. I love it. It looks so good. I'm so happy this car runs. And now it's gonna get stored away here soon for winter. I gotta do a couple things on it, mainly body work because I can see some rust forming on the door, and I'm not excited to do that because I don't have a welder and I don't have tools to cut out the rust. So this is gonna be fun, but maybe there's somebody nearby that can do it. Hopefully, I pray. I'll probably post something and be like, hey, anybody got a welder, kind of thing. But yeah, no, it's in, it's working properly. I might have to adjust the pedal dead zone, whatever you want to call it. It's a little bit floppy, doesn't really, so I just gotta kind of twist a bolt, kind of call it good. But yeah, no, it's good. I like it.